Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 12, M.C.Q 11 to 15. I repeat, it is chapter 12 M.C.Q 11 to 15. Dear students, look here, this is our lecture number 11 and SW number 9 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 11 and SW number 9 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, before going to our main session, that means before going to focus on our main class, I want to tell you that means with one more class, I repeat, with one more class, our computer syllabus will be finished. That means today and one more class, our computer 15 mark syllabus will be finished. Then we will learn from our oral sheet. Dear students, I am very much happy to share you that many of you submit your SW. That means you are very much regular to submit your SW. But I am little bit unhappy to see that when you do your SW, that means in your copy it is found many spelling mistake. Dear students, to write correctly, to write correct spelling is one of the best characteristics of a good student. So I request all of my students of class 4, especially in computer subject, to write correctly, give importance to your spelling. Dear students, let's start our class. So look at first multiple choice questions. So look, number 11, a search engine is a, okay, A number is hardware, B CPU, C is software and D is monitor. Dear students, in my last class I told you that search engine is an application software which is designed to carry out search or web information. I repeat, a search engine is an application software which is designed to carry out web search. We learned various examples, or we learned the name of some examples of search engine. For example, Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask.com, etc. So look at the question number 11. A search engine is a, so A hardware, B CPU, C number is software, that means application software. So look here, I have already given the tick in C number, that means C number is the proper answer. Now 12 number, look here, Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of, look, A hardware, B search engine, C program, D monitor. That means you have already known that Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of search engine. Now look, 13 number, which of the following is a web browser? Look, what is it? 13 number MCQ, which of the following is a web browser? A Google, B Google Chrome, C Bing, and D number is Bing, C number is Yahoo. I repeat, which one of the following is a web browser? A Google, B Google Chrome, C Yahoo, and D number is Bing. Dear students, web browser is also an application software. I told you in my previous class, that means web browser is an application software which is designed for carrying out information. I repeat, web browser is an application software which is designed for carrying out information or data. So in our previous class we learned also different names of different web browser. For example, Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. So look, which of the following is a web browser? That means Google Chrome is an example of a web browser. So Google, Yahoo, Bing, these are the example of search engine. Only Google Chrome is an example of web browser. Now 14 number, what is the full form of URL? So look, what is the full form of URL? So A number, Uniform Resource Locator, B. United Resource Locator, C. Uniform Research Locator, and D number is Uniform Resource Location. Dear students, I told you also that the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator and it has a unique address. I repeat, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator and it has a unique address. So look, Uniform Resource Locator, that means option number A is the proper answer. So look, what is the full form of URL? It is Uniform Resource Locator. Now 15 number, this is our last MCQ. So look, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as, so look, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as a website. B. Software, C. Search engine, and D number is hardware. I repeat, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as A number website, B number software, C number search engine, and D number hardware. Dear students, information is saved at a unique spot, the computer is known as a website. So we have learned here 5 MCQ. I am telling you again so that these 5 MCQs become clear crystal to you. Number 11, a search engine is a software or is an application software. 12, Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of search engine. Number 13, which of the following is a web browser? Number B, Google Chrome. Number 14, what is the full form of URL? It is Uniform Resource Locator and it has a unique address. Number 15, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as website. These are the 5 MCQs we have already learned properly. Now we have a homework. So look here, it is homework, homework number 9, chapter 15, MCQ 10 to 15. So look here, now it will be 11 to 15. It will be 11 to 15. That means 11 to 15 I am writing here. Okay, this 5 year homework. Dear students, now look here, I have given my, as usual, I have given my messenger Abul Kalam and my phone number also. I am telling you, if anybody has any single query regarding our today's class and previous class also, please don't hesitate to write me in the comment box. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. Do your SW properly and give importance to your spelling. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.